Omu rukiiko oru abatuura borekire okwetomboita kandi enshonga zaabo nizeetororera aha gavumenti okuremwa kurondera abatuura abatwire omu kampu eya Muhocha aho kutuura.
Aba bakyala, they've spent there more than 2 years. They've got enough punishment. You know the implications of IDP camps.
Minority cultural institutions are supposed to implement are not being gazetted. Okay, that's a concern for us. We get government funding for doing the training. We get government services on the basis of the fact that we're minorities, but they won't take the next step that's required in order for us to actualize the traditional courts. And this is causing problems for us because of land issues and other things.
Kwonka ahanshonga egi abebembezi aba district egi nibagira ngu government erikurabira mu ofisi ey'enganzi y'ihanga erimu neeza kufurira abatuura aba n'obu barabe batari kugamba niryara obukirabeho.
So we are waiting for that money to come so that the Prime Minister's office can now come down on ground and we begin settling these people so that land which the government has secured, each person gets a piece and then some money to put a shelter.
Aba hona nibagira ngu oyihireho kutuura omu kampu n'eby'obwegyese okwo bikanga kandi eki nikireetaho akabuuza aha musingi ogwanyensya okuruga omu kyanga eki.
You go to Kagando Primary School in Weisumbu, you'll find only there are 2 classrooms. Zoka. And it is a school that goes up to P7. And now, what is that? Mbarara amasomero mangi. Dwako kubanga oli omwana, the child, they suffer due to the class environment. Abalala basomera wansi w'emiti, abalala kwegamba enkuba bw'eba etonye, that means okusoma kwahwa. Abaana bakoraki bagenda.
Most times we are not considered. Tuyina abantu abaliko obulemu. They can even serve better than abantu abataliko obulemu ku mibiri gyabwe. By the way, bw'oba oyagala kumanya amazima, employ a person with a disability. You won't regret.
Petua Babirye, Principal Education and Training Officer kuruga mu kakiiko aka Equal Opportunities Commission araganisa okukora hanshonga ezihirwe y'abatuura n'okumaraho okwetomboita okubiine.
So our conversation was tailored on redressing inequalities and promoting equal opportunities for anyone that is living in Kasese, but particularly the ethnic minorities. We have deliberated on their issues and documented them.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi, Omura Kasese.